Good morning, everybody. So this week we'll just start from the top, going all the way down to the bottom. So this week David will start us with our welcome time, and there'll just be a pad behind you, David, and then from there we'll go right into Jesus Paid It All. Just remember the song's in 3/4, so it'll say intro, 2, 3, and then So just make sure you recognize that. You come in on the 3 of the verse. Intro, 2, I hear. So technically on here is where you should land after he counts you in, if that makes sense. So it's intro, 2, I hear the Savior say, just so you know. But here's how it'll go. First one will be David, and then we'll come in with him on the chorus, and then stay in through verse 2, stay in through that second chorus, and then on that verse 3, it'll just go to David, and then there's that long instrumental, and then it does the bridge 2 times. That'll just be David by himself, and then once everything kind of hits there together, and the drums come in on that third bridge, we'll stay in with him until the very last repeat of verse 1. So once we're in on that bridge for the third time, we'll stay in until the end of verse 1. From there, we're going to go right into Bigger Than I Thought. So just changing it up here this week. We'll put the scripture and welcome time after that. So from there, it'll crossfade us right into Bigger Than I Thought. So on this song, doing it just like the track, so bigger intro, and then head into verse 1. I'll take verse 1 by myself, come in on the chorus, and then stay in through verse 2, stay in through the second chorus, and then go out on the bridge. It'll go through that bridge twice, and that'll just be me. And then third time, we'll come in together until the very end of the song. From there, I'll go into our welcome time and scripture reading, and then out of that, we'll go into King of Kings. Led by Alex, so she'll take verse 1 by herself and then come in on the chorus, stay in through verse 2, stay in through the chorus, and then we'll go out on that third verse. That kind of feels like the bridge, but it is a verse. So verse 3 will just be Alex, and then we'll come in on verse 4 on the Church of Christ was born, and then we'll stay in until the end of the song. So that's it for vocals. If you have any questions, let me know, but band, you guys will start the video here. Starting this week, David will take the welcome, and we'll go into a pad for him, and then out of that, go into the click and loop. So Jesus Paid It All is what we'll start with, and that song is just like the track. And then out of that, we'll crossfade right into Bigger Than I Thought, since they're in the same key. Time signatures are a little different, but it'll all work out just fine. So Jesus Paid It All, just like the track, and then out of that, it'll count us right into Bigger Than I Thought, going through that song. Just like the track, we'll probably tag some stuff there at the end, but for now, just planning to crash out at that 5-minute, 41-second mark, just like it does on the track. And then from there, we'll go into the welcome time and scripture reading. And so Kim we'll just let everything kind of fade out there on the B of Bigger Than I Thought, and then just fading in a pad, going from like C to F during that welcome time, and then we'll head right into King of Kings and doing that song just like the track. Just note that it's in C rather than D. That's the only difference is there. So if you have any questions, as usual, please let me know. But that is it, everybody. Thank you so much.